Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micros market recap. Let's get right into it. It is almost 4:10 p.m. Eastern time here, Wednesday, August 23rd. Oil starting us off. We opened gap down. We have new values for our contract highs and lows, as such, per the methodology that dictates those start dates that we just don't give out for free. It is what it is. Sometimes you got to pay to learn. Right? Not everything that's great in life is free. I mean, misery can be free. But with that said, we did open gap down well below that close. We almost got to the close, but you can see we initially dipped down, had retracement, overtook those prior highs, and then they had fought tooth and nail to get up there. They didn't quite get there, but you know what? They got close enough. And then, I mean, without further explanation, it should be said that that finished net down. But and then we got gold on the other hand, where it opened gap up, move up, hit this HV edge twice. They got stuffed, retraced, tried those lows one more time, trying to get to that close, which they didn't get. They turned around again, had another round trip, and then they just kept driving it up. Now they stalled here for the longest time, and then before they closed, they had a little peak up, and then they just fizzled out. So we are finishing positive in gold. Now our equities, those finished positive today as well. In terms of where we opened in balance in our equities for both of them. Excuse me, above the close. And they just decided, you know what, we're just going to melt on up. It took a while. You can see here, that's that 10 o'clock around here. So a good 30 minutes, very consolidated. 9:45 news, not too much happened there. And then it just trickled on up. Very slow today. This whole week has been somewhat slow. But once we finally got to some edges worth trading, you can see just the straight rejection at those edges. That second time giving it a little bit more room if you took it as a trailing entry. But ultimately, we are finishing positive in the ES. And then we're going to be finishing positive in the NASDAQ as well. If we just scroll this on back, you can see we opened inside that range, if I can get there. And then you can see right at the gate, hit that NASDAQ edge. Boom. Hit it again. Boom. So twice at that level. A little bit more opportunities, I would say, in the NASDAQ than the ES today, especially to catch those moves with that trend as it was just climbing. But you can see, boom, boom. Came up, hit this one, boom, boom, for two shorts that were available. Technically three. You got that one just prior to it. And then they started making more highs in the day and got into some white space. We just didn't have levels here in these micros. That's okay. It happens every now and then where we just don't have sufficient levels drawn. uh, with that said, finishing positive in the NAS, positive ES, positive gold, down on the day in the oil. If you are interested in learning more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts before the next day's trading activities, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Get in touch with one of us at either of those locations. We'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day. You'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. Look forward to seeing you there.